Overview. Introduction to the DNS. DNS components. DNS structure and hierarchy. The DNS in context. DNS history 1. ARPANF utilized the central file hosts.txt. Contains names to addresses mapping. Maintained by SRI-NEC Stanford Research Institute. Network Information Center. Administrator's email changes to NIC. NIC updates hosts.txt periodically. Administrator's FTP download hosts.txt. The DNS is the domain name system. What internet users use to reference anything by name on the internet. The mechanism by which internet software translates names to attributes such as addresses. The DNS is also the globally distributed, scalable, reliable database, comprised of 3 components. A namespace. Servers making that namespace available. Resolvers clients which query the servers about the namespace. Ujucgylki servers making that namespace available. Resolvers clients which query the servers about the namespace. DNS as a lookup mechanism. Users generally prefer names to numbers. Computers prefer numbers to names. DNS provides the mapping between the two. I have X, give me Y. VBGFBGHEFHGBVHJJK full juice by Gbdrghnjbgb. Quantity received good. The KJJEJRDHFMJJHCCBVJDVJNNJ Chuchum. WJGNDCBBJAM GDTKJJBBNBJCJSBJSKJ JMHBNJNDFHCBHJXJBNBJXJHJJJBNUCBN KGJH, JUBDG and HUGGF Jujujail Cookadit JBNH JCG Jujum 6 and 1/5 High XDGBJGKGJ Jusinia. DNS as a database. Keys to the database are domain names. www.foo.com 18. In address .arpit 6.4.b164.arpit. Over 200 million domain names stored. Each domain name contains 1 or more attributes, known as resource records. Each attribute individually retrievable. Keys to the database are domain names or Ujucgylki. www.foo.com 18. In address .arpit 6.4.b164.arpit. Over 200 million domain names stored. Each domain name contains 1 or more attributes known as resource records. Each attribute individually retrievable. Global distribution. Data is maintained locally, but retrievable globally. No single computer has all DNS data. DNS lookups can be performed by any device. Remote DNS data is locally searchable to improve performance. Loose coherency. Each version of a subset of a database zone has a serial number. The serial number is increment on each database change. Changes to the master copy of the database are propagated to replicas according to timing set by the zone administrator. Cached data expires according to timeout set by zone administrator. Each version of a subset of a database zone has a serial number. The serial number is increment on each database change. Changes to the master copy of the database are propagated to replicas according to timing set by the zone administrator. Cached data expires according to timeout set by zone administrator. Scalability. No limit to the size of the database. No limit to the number of queries. Tens of thousands of queries handled easily every second. Queries distributed among masters, slaves, and caches. Data is replicated. Data from master is copied to multiple slaves. Clients can query master server any of the copies at slave servers. Clients will typically query local caches. DNS protocols can use either UDP or TCP. If UDP, DNS protocol handles the transmission, sequencing, etc. Dynamicity. Database can be updated dynamically. Add Gbdrghnjbgb. Delete JCFNH, Modify of any record. Only master can be dynamically updated. Modification of the master database triggers replication. Overview. Introduction to the BNS. BNS components. The namespace. The servers. The resolvers. BNS structure and hierarchy. The BNS in context. Subdomains. One domain is a subdomain of another if its domain name ends in the other's domain name. So sales.nominum.com is a subdomain of nominum.com and com. Nominum.com is a subdomain of com. Delegation. Administrators can create subdomains to group hosts according to geography, organizational affiliation, etc. An administrator of a domain can delegate responsibility for managing the subdomain to someone else. The parent domain retains links to the delegated subdomains. Delegation creates zones. Each time an administrator delegates a subdomain, the new unit of administration is created. The subdomain and its parent domain can now be administered independently. These units are called zones. The boundary between zones is a point of delegation in the namespace. Delegation is good. It is the key to scalability. Name servers. Name servers store information about the namespace in units called zones. The name servers that load a complete zone are said to have authority for or be authoritative for the zone. Usually, more than one name server are authoritative for the same zone. This ensures redundancy and spreads the load. Also, a single name server may be authoritative for many zones. Types of name servers. Two main types of servers. Authoritative maintains the data. Master, where the data is edited. Slave, where data is replicated to. Caching, stores data obtained from an authoritative server. No special hardware necessary. Bind, Berkeley Internet Name Domain. You can't think of a name server as part of database server. Answering queries about the parts of the namespace it knows about, i.e., is authoritative for. Cache, temporarily storing data it learns from other name servers and agent, helping resolvers and other name servers find data. Also, the caching resolver can insert data into the cache and can query.
no, no, um, mm, uh, no, um, um, no, no, no,
Night sparkles, sparkles, sparkles. It is 8 p.m. Night sparkles, sparkles, sparkles. It is 8:05 p.m.
Gbdrghnjbgb.